Alright, DIY solar bird fountain. Planter with no holes in the bottom, really important because it's really difficult to waterproof it if it does have holes. So pick one out that doesn't have holes in it. I took an old planter and turned it upside down so that I could set the fountain higher. And then I set some rocks in it. I always have rocks in my garden, so I put some rocks down on a plant stand that you would put like an indoor plant stand as like a little waiting space for the birds. Because I saw other DIY fountains where they use something to give the birds a place to land, someplace shallow. And I got some hooks and some galvanized steel wire, pre-drilled some holes and just was careful not to go completely through, and then screwed the hooks in, put the wire across. I already drilled a hole for the cord to go through, just large enough for the cord to go through. And then the fountain, the solar panel for the fountain is right over here. This is the solar panel that I've put in blazing hot direct sunlight, but I picked one out that had a cord long enough to place the fountain in the shade so it doesn't create a hot tub. And important, the one I got has a detachable cord so that you don't have to fit the entire pump through the hole that you drill in the planter. By the way, there's a butterfly bush starting to bloom right next to me. Can't ignore that. Beautiful, beautiful. But so, okay, the cord goes through underneath this Mexican orange blossom and honeysuckle. I can get through. This is my little cat lounging space. Japanese purus, butterfly bush, black elderberry. Lots of things going on, but here is the fountain in the shade under an umbrella. Got a little bubbler action going there to say it with a Boston accent or twist. But the perches I put across for two different sized birds. There's one closer for hummingbirds and one further for finches. At least that's what I have in my head. But yeah, I love this. There's some other little toppers that I could use to create a higher fountain. I don't know what the birds are going to prefer yet, but I kind of like just not using any so that it's a bubbler. The ambiance, the mood, the vibe, the bubbler.